Okay, so again, when I'm saying, it's not that all the characters have two parts, but most of the characters, they have two parts. Majority of the characters have two parts. Some characters have left and right part, and some characters have top and bottom part. Now, the characters which have left and right part, so the left part is something which gives the meaning to the word, and the right part gives the pronunciation or sound to the word. Okay. Similarly, for the characters which have top and bottom part, the top part gives the meaning to the word, and bottom part gives the pronunciation or sound to the part. Now, these left and top part, which gives the meaning to the word, are called as radicals. Okay, so we have radicals. So we have radicals for, let's say we have radical for water. Okay, so many words which are related to water, or which are related to fluid, or which are related to liquid, will have that particular radical in that. Okay, so this left part and top part, we called it as a radical, which gives a meaning to the word. So just let's understand it with a few characters, few simple characters I'll show you. Okay, now this, if you can see this one, okay, so this is the left part here. Okay, if I can, because it's very difficult to separate. So this is the left part and this is the right part. Okay, now this left part is a radical. It is a radical for food. Okay, it is a radical for food. So many of the things which are related to food will have this radical. Okay, and this part gives the pronunciation. And this is actually the character for fun, which is like we have learned as, some of you have learned, some of you have still not learned, but fun means rice, or me fun, or chow fun. So this is the word for fun. So this is, here you can see, here it coming, here we have this food radical. Okay, now if I look at this one, so this part, okay, this is the left part of this particular character. This is a radical for speech, knowledge, information, reading. Okay, anything related to speech, information, reading, knowledge, so those words will have this radical in that. Okay, and this is the word for shuo, or this is the character for shuo, which means to speak, to say. Okay, so these are the two characters where we have left part and right part. So this is the character. So these two are the characters which have top part and bottom part. Okay, so here it has a top part. Okay, here this is the top part. Okay, now this is the radical. This radical is for leaves or grass. Okay, anything which is related to leaf or grass or flower will have this radical. And this is the radical for bamboo. Okay, so some things which are made up of bamboo or related to bamboo will have this particular radical in them. Okay, so this is the parts of Chinese characters. So we have left part and right part. Left part gives the meaning and right part gives the pronunciation. Top part gives the meaning and the bottom part gives the pronunciation. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's fine?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so now let's move and see some of the radicals. Okay, now very interesting part about this kind of characters is, even if I don't know the character, okay, there is a possibility I don't know the character, I don't know the word, but when I look at, if I know the radical and if I somehow know the pronunciation of the right part, I can make out what this word, how this word could be pronounced, or what this word has a meaning. Okay, so that's how, once you know some of the words, once you know some of the radicals, so when you go and build up your vocabulary, when you're going and learning the more complex characters, it becomes easy for us to understand those characters well.